what we're going to do today is make this little test app 920ezpzfma. That's right, folks. Easy peasy, fresh and squeezy. And let's start with step 0. Well, I've already gone to voice.google.com, but you know what? We're going to do it just for posterity here. So the first thing you want to do is get some account going with Google Voice so you can search your number here. I've already searched it. Okay, you know what? Let's just move on to the next step here. So what we want to do, what we're going to do now is register 920ezpzfma at gmail.com. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, I'm going to add a person. Alright, we're going to click sign in, click more options, create new account. So I pasted in the vanity number 920ezpzfma. FMA stands for 15-minute apps. In Arrested Development, Lucille asks the attorney to get down the time in front of the judge down from 15 minutes down to 5. If we do that here, we'll still be able to stick with the abbreviation. Okay, that's kind of a bad joke. We're going to try getting this number registered with the help of my friend, one Juliet Nail. Okay, we're going to click Get Google Voice Number, click on Web. Okay, let's punch in our number, 920-397-9362. We could go straight to Bitbucket, but I'm going to do a little detour. I load up c9.io. We're going to sign in with our Bitbucket account. Let's see if we can do this with minimal typing. We're going to log in with Google. All right. Go ahead and click there. Plop in our app name, 920ezpzfma. Okay, it wants our email anyways, which is fine. Same thing, keep it simple, 920ezpzfma@gmail.com. Let's see if they want the email confirmation. Oh yeah, they want it. Okay, we're going to load up our Gmail. All right, please verify your email address. You are all set. Let's scroll down, continue to Bitbucket, create a repository. All right, and let's just call it repository. Keep it simple. Okay, create a README file. Commit. Okay, we've committed. All right, sign in. Now we do have a Bitbucket account. Besides Bitbucket offering free private repositories, which GitHub does not, Bitbucket also does not stand accused of sexual harassment like GitHub. GitHub allegedly has a very misogynistic culture, and we're not about that. We are not about misogyny on 15-minute apps. That is ignorant, bigoted, hateful, and counterproductive. All right, we're going to create a new account here. 920ezpzfma. Next. Okay, name. Just again, we're just going to keep it all generic as possible here. Username. 920ezpzfma. Okay. Can't start with a number, but it can end with a number, so let's do that. What kind of developer are you? I'll tell you, I'm a professional developer. How will you use Cloud9? For work. What else? Okay, we got the check mark. It's going to do a little credit card confirmation. All free, folks. Going to go ahead and connect our Bitbucket account. Since they're linked together, we can click on repositories. Sweet. Let's clone to edit. going to do a private workspace, and let's make it black. This is from lua.org/download.html, but to note, we are not going to use Lua 5.3.4. We're going to use 5.2.4 for now, due to some compatibility issues. Let's untar this puppy. Okay, once we've untarred it, let's go in the directory sudo make linux install. Now we are going to install Lua Rocks. This is following the guide on luarocks.org/pound quick-start. Okay, and now let's untar Lua Rocks. Okay, we're in the Lua Rocks directory. /configure sudo make bootstrap. I have no idea what this means, I just know that we gotta do it. Okay, and then sudo Lua Rocks, install Lua socket. All right, we got our Lua installed there. Okay, fantastic. We've installed Lua Rocks. We want to install WASPI-Zavante, CGI Lua, and Lustash. All right. We're going to make a new file, zavante.lua, and we are just going to copy and paste, folks. Next up, we're going to set up this index.lp, which will be in home Ubuntu workspace. So let's make a index.lp file. Okay, and when we save this, we're going to save this as index.lp. LP stands for Lua page. Pretty straightforward. This is going to load this file script.lua, assign it to output, and then output is what displays below. All right, let's see. Everything goes right. We should now be able to execute this simply by running Lua space zavante.lua. So let's do our test. Hello world, you rock. Bam! Okay, so this has been another production of 920 Easy Peasy FMA. Remember, for all your 15-minute app needs, just dial 920 Easy Peasy FMA. And we're going to use 1&1 to do this. 920ezpzfma.com. We click check. We're going to do the domain only. Thank you very much. All right. Save $14. Total $117. Looks good. Looks good. Continue. Create a new account. Personal. It just makes it easier. Otherwise, you have to submit business docs, and we don't want to bother. Okay. I like using PayPal. Don't have to punch in my credit card info, and I can just log in here. Hey, congratulations, your order is complete. Woo! Alright, so in the next video, or hopefully I'm able to splice all of this together into one 15-minute video. After all, that's what FMA stands for, 15-minute apps, man. How can you have more than one 15-minute video if it's 15-minute apps? So we're going to try to compress this all into 15 minutes, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace. Alright, picking back up, we just want to conclude this. Luckily for us, the domain was registered pretty quickly. I confirmed the email address. Let's go ahead and log in. If we can remember our domain name and password. Alright. 920ezpzfma.com. Password is... We are in. Let's manage that domain. Destination. Domain not in use. Use your domain. I think we can do it from here. Forward domain. Yes. Paste that puppy in like that. And while we're at it, we are going to disable the auto renewal just in case we decide to change our app name, right? I mean, if we drop to 5-minute apps, no problem. Maybe we get to, 1-minute apps and it has to be OMA. I don't know. Disable auto renewal. Sorry, 1-and-1. Will renew if successful, right? I mean, what's the point? I should have said if sustainable. Will renew if sustainable. It's got to be sustainable. It's true, though. It needs to be sustainable. Okay, all right. Let's test her out. Fire this puppy up. 920ezpzfma.com, baby. Hey, the redirect works. Test for echo. I scream, you scream, we all scream for I scream. Boom! All right, I like that. Now, in another future episode, we'll probably get into the two-way bind, where whatever we type up here will instantly appear on the screen. And then in a future episode, we shall get into the three-way bind, where whatever we type up here not only appears automatically below or above or wherever we position it on the screen, but it also is written to the database. All right, very exciting, guys. 15-minute apps. This is your host, Rahul Varshney, and this has been another edition of 920 Easy Peasy SMA.